Welcome to the EnGenius Access Point Management System installation and setup video. You follow the following steps. The management system for EnGenius Access Points is called EasyMaster. You use a hypervisor on your Windows computer to install EasyMaster. You download the EasyMaster virtual machine image file. After downloading, you import the image file into virtualization software to create an EasyMaster virtual machine. You use hypervisors like VMware, VirtualBox, or Hyper-V. These are the steps to import EasyMaster on VMware hypervisor. You ensure the network adapter is set to bridge mode to connect to the EnGenius access points. If you want to use VirtualBox hypervisor, then follow these steps. On the VirtualBox hypervisor, browse to the image file and create a new EasyMaster virtual machine. Like VMware, you ensure the network adapter is set up in bridge mode. The following steps I use VirtualBox hypervisor to create EasyMaster virtual machine. You install and set up EasyMaster similarly if you use the VMware hypervisor. After completing the creation of the EasyMaster virtual machine, start it and begin the first setup steps. The default username is admin. The default password is password. You set the time zone where you live. Then you set up a static IP address for the EasyMaster virtual machine. You assign an IP address in the same address range as the EnGenius access points. In this case, I set the IP address 192.168.1.150 for the EasyMaster virtual machine. This is the IP address I assigned to the EasyMaster virtual machine. Next, open any browser and access EasyMaster using the IP address set up in the previous step. The default username is admin. The default password is password. So I have completed installing EasyMaster on the VirtualBox hypervisor. You install similarly on VMware hypervisor. You are then asked to enter an email address and set a server name. Next, I guide you to add a new EnGenius access point to the EasyMaster system. Here I add a new device. To add a new device, you need to know some information about it. You need to know the MAC address and check code of the device you want to add to the EasyMaster system. You can find this information labeled on each EnGenius access point. But if you manage multiple access points at the same time, I recommend you use IP address scanning software. You can find the MAC address and code of each access point by accessing its management website. Access point EnGenius login username and password are both admin. Follow the steps above to add a new EnGenius access point to EasyMaster. MAC address and code are separated by semicolons. After completing adding access points to EasyMaster, create a new project to manage them. I create a new project and add devices to that project for management. Wait a moment to connect the access point to the newly created project. You can set up individual access points or create groups to set up multiple access points at the same time. Here are the steps to set up each EnGenius access point. With this method, you set up each access point separately. This method is suitable if you want different settings for each access point. If you want to set up the same access points, you create a new group. I created a new access point group. Next, I add the access points to the newly created group. I then set up a wireless network for this group. I apply this wireless network on both bands. I set up the wireless network name. I then set up wireless network security. The settings on this group will be applied to all EnGenius access points belonging to that group. This method is suitable when you want to set up multiple access points at once. Above are the basic steps to install and set up access point EnGenius using EasyMaster. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.